Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we're going to learn the 4 past tenses in English. The past tenses are very important because we use them to talk about actions, events, experiences, and situations that happened before now. By understanding these 4 tenses, you'll be able to talk about completed actions in the past, actions that were happening at a specific time, actions that happened before another past event, and actions that continued for a period before another moment in the past.
In this lesson, we'll learn each past tense, step by step, with simple explanations, useful structures, and easy examples. Past simple. First, we'll learn the past simple. We use the past simple to talk about completed actions or events that happened in the past. For example, I visited my grandparents yesterday. You watched a movie last night. He played football after school. She cooked dinner for her family. It rained all day yesterday. We traveled to USA last summer. They finished their homework. Past continuous. Next, we'll learn the past continuous. We use the past continuous to describe actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was studying when you called. You were watching TV at 9 p.m. He was playing the guitar. She was reading a book. It was raining heavily. We were having dinner. They were working on a project. Past perfect. Then we'll learn the past perfect. We use the past perfect to talk about an action that happened before another action or time in the past. For example, I had finished my work before he arrived. You had seen that movie before. He had lost his keys. She had written a letter. It had stopped raining. We had visited the USA. They had completed the project. Past perfect continuous. Finally, we'll learn the past perfect continuous. We use this tense to describe an action that had been continuing for a period of time before another moment in the past. For example, I had been studying for 2 hours. You had been waiting since morning. He had been working all day. She had been crying. It had been snowing since yesterday. We had been practicing English. They had been traveling for a week. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel. See you in the next lesson.